Hey guys, today let's learn how to use the new NameDrop feature on iPhone iOS 17. So if you guys want to go ahead and use this new NameDrop feature, which is only available on the iOS 17 softwares, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to, of course, have the iPhone device already updated to its latest version. So we need to go ahead and make sure as well that we do have iOS 17 already downloaded on our device. So go ahead and tap on General under your settings and double check on your software update if you do have the newest iOS 17 software is already installed onto your device. So it's going to be pretty easy to use the new NameDrop feature because all we need to do is to basically have our device right next to the secondary device or the device of your friend right next to each other, and it's automatically going to connect and show you guys your contact poster on each other's devices. Now that's going to basically allow you to tap on receive only or tap on share, or you could also tap on their number and proceed with basically saving that number onto your device, and that's going to allow you guys to, well, stay in contact and enjoy the new feature of NameDrop. So basically, as I said a while ago, all we need to do is to have the two devices right next to each other. You could also basically have them side by side on top of each other or front to front, and that's going to automatically prompt the device to launch the NameDrop feature and show you guys the option for you to send your contact poster. You could also choose your number or your email to your iCloud. Tap on share once you're done, and that's going to allow you guys to basically share each other's contact card and use the NameDrop feature on iOS 17. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.